Hey everyone, welcome to another market review. I'm doing it before the weekend again, maybe it helps you position for next week. And crazy fucking shit with semis and everything. War not ending, we're having peace, we're not having peace, or negotiations. Fuck knows where we are with that. But in essence, we kind of did what I expected to do, and that is go sideways. Basically, this was the entire week, last Friday, that blow off move. We've been more or less within the range of this candle that we had on Friday the entire week, went a bit above today. We didn't go below at any point, went above a bit yesterday as well. Going into lower time frames, you can see it here as well. Kind of have like a flag going. Let me turn off this one. We're going to have like a flag going on here with this trend line and this trend line here. Doesn't really feel like we're done, and I don't really like the way VIX is shaping up. Honestly, like it should have went lower by now, but it's not. It's basically making higher low as well. So what I think happens is, let's talk scenarios. This is gonna be relatively short because there's not a lot to discuss here. Is the peace scenario or negotiation scenario, negotiation progress, or the lack of progress. And the only difference between them is one will get a fake out up, the other will not. So because of the way that VIX is shaping up, I think we need, like in many of these moves down, before we go higher, we go lower. So like for example, we dropped here, we went up, dropped here, had another spike, or dropped here, had this spike, and many other cases in the past, like drop here, had a spike, drop here, had a spike, and so on and so on. And I don't even mean the big ones. Like for example, this is March 2023, so this was the um, SIVB Bank blow up, and we went down, had a spike later on in May. It didn't account for anything, and this is kind of how I think we do here. It's like we had one here, but it seems like it's incomplete, and I think we do sort of like this. We need another spike to maybe not even that much, just like a retest here, like 22, 23. It's difficult to evaluate. So basically, this is the uh, no peace over the weekend or no progress towards peace over the weekend scenario. And we basically, before we move higher, we need more consolidation. I don't think we had enough consolidation here. The question is, how far low did we go? I think we go into the ribbon a bit. So this would be something equivalent. It's not, again, it's not a bear phase at any in any way. It's just that we need to go lower to find some momentum buying and push us higher and so on and get another rejection down. So I think we get like a breakdown here. Could go here basically, so 69.74, or go for the full 21 EMA retest, which is like 690, something like this. So these are the two scenarios in which we don't get peace over the weekend. So this is, we go to 697 or 690 at most. This would be quite extreme. So this would be, maybe we get a VIX push to 25. Let me put a horizontal line here. So 23, yeah, it tends to overshoot, so like 25. This would be a VIX spike to 25. So even if we get a VIX spike to 25, this would be like the first version and equivalent to the lower low drop. And this would be the drop to 690-ish, let's say, to the 21 EMA. So uh, 21 EMA is here. This is 13 EMA, so either 13 EMA or 21 EMA. As you can observe, not much of a drop happening. So this is like 3% and this is like 2%. And it can happen over multiple days as well. So nothing positive happening over the weekend. I think we finally get a breakdown. We have the VIX spike before the next leg higher. So these are just temporary drops. They're deep buys for sure, and we go higher afterwards. So this is and I think I wouldn't consider anything bearish until we hit 70, this level here, the golden fib, which is 730.29. So this is the today's, maybe it's part of today, like today could be a fade, and we kind of got rejected sufficient times now that a push down will no longer get bought, and we go to the 14 EMA or the 21 EMA here. So this is the bearish scenario. Now for the bullish scenario, I think it's very similar to this one. Maybe we don't get to the 21 EMA at all. It would be just be this. But I think, although it's possible, let me keep it here. The bullish scenario is one in, I think we get a fake out, and it will be similar to this blow off day here, uh, and probably 1 or 2 days max. So today will probably be green or we close within the ribbon. And on Monday, if we get progress that the market likes to see fit, we maybe get a push up, do kind of a blow off day. It can be even a single move up to the upside. Like for the piece move, it's only 2.5%, so not quite a lot. And then we get faded. I think we get rejected here, and we finally do that pullback. Given how strong that move would be, most likely it's going to be something like, won't be 21 EMA. It's going to be more like just reconnecting with the ribbon. So where's the drawing thing? This is this one. So we go up, and over 1 or 2 days, this happens on Monday and Tuesday, and then we get a strong rejection because we will be so fucking overextended from the 21 EMA, and it's not really going up, or the ribbon overall. And I think we just get rejected and we fade. Probably something retest this here or go back in here to the 14 EMA. It's probably going to be higher, so most likely they both turn higher. So it's going to be here, on the broadening formation trend line, or we go to the long trigger and something like 7K and also 7K. This will go up as well. This will go up as well. So it's going to be something like this. So it's still this is 8 EMA, this is 13 EMA. It's going to be the 8 EMA or the 13 EMA when we pull back after a push, a crazy push up. And the references for it are something like this. This one is 2022. So it's gonna be this type of move. Basically, we are here. We had a big rally here. We are kind of here right now, although relative to the moving averages, we are much higher. And it's gonna be like a blow-off move like this one, and then a big counter drop, like this. Again, it depends. I'm gonna keep my prediction to going back to the top of the ribbon because I'm still bullish longer term, but it depends how the first bearish candle behaves, like how big it is, what the momentum is, how if it's a high devol day, and so on. So it's something like this, or it's something like this, more like something like this here at the end, or there was this one, the June one, the June drop from 2020, when we were rallying like crazy, and another big push up, and then we kind of did like this. And this is very similar to what I think we can get if we go to 6:30 on Monday, Tuesday, because something positive happens from the negotiations. And in this scenario, VIX would probably go a bit lower. It would be like a double bottom for VIX here. So in the bullish scenario, VIX goes lower, but we still hold like 17, and the same idea. It goes to like as high as 25 on the rebound, and then we get another fade. The dip gets bought and probably opens up a lower VIX for later on, and opens up the market for going higher, again, similar to this. So this is it for now. Nothing really to talk about aside from this. Uh, yeah, that's it. Have a good one. Bye bye.